Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Sorry if I didn't upload for a while, but this is a showcase of my city. First, we're gonna go with this market. It needs lots of lights and stuff. It has stuff, 2 cashiers, and many lights. This is the main road. This road is to the loading area. This is a worker truck. This is the Bjorn Forest with a dead end. The Bjorn Hotel. And of course, this is the highway. Just don't ignore this thing over here. We just But finally, after months, I got the second secret car. Wahoo! The city is quite old, so this is an old home. Somebody just texted, just drawed something. I didn't do that, so this is a greeting and leaving the house. Remember, we are making a video. We did this, and this. Whatever I wanted about the city is thank you for inspiring me about this old city. Let's check what's inside this building. There is a Moskvich here, or a Lada 06, and this a ladder, a chair, this thing I don't know what to call, and a bunk bed. This is all of this old thing. I call it a storage. It's not a home, but a storage. By the way, the highway is next to the hotel, which I did freshly. Thank you to inspiring, and make sure to subscribe. Like the video!